Okay, this is the Tanglewood Center place. I'm gonna walk and talk low because people are fasting here. It's a huge place. Hopefully I'll get to film everything. This is the main hall, like the living room that everybody get together. We rest here, we talk, we read.
Bad or wrong, it is how it is. It is how it is. That's just how it is. It's not bad, it's not right, it's not wrong.
It's very beautiful here.
This is how it is right now. You're going to take the actions you need to take to see if you can change that.
The tropical fruits and flowers and butterflies and birds are amazing. This is a saltwater pool that you get to. This is the hall again from the other side. I mean, it's not a hall, it's like a living room space where everybody rests. And everything here is so green and beautiful. There are a lot of corners to sit. There's water everywhere to drink. People just enjoy the nature and the beauty. So I'm gonna walk you around the property a little bit. There are a lot of fruit trees in between all these places. Here there's another area to sit. Here there's a field if people want to play ball. And all the activities, it's after fasting. When you start eating and you gain your strength back, then that is when you can go and enjoy, the sports and the pool and all the activities if you'd like. But before you start feeding, when you're fasting, you're supposed to just rest and enjoy the environment. So you see I'm walking, there's a lot of benches here. All these trees are fruit trees. You don't see fruits right now, so many, because it's not the season. And they have a greenhouse here where they grow vegetables. All this stuff that you see is all down there. It's the property. So in here there is like another hut with hammocks and water that you can take a book, lay down, read and rest. This is the trampoline getting fixed. All these young trees that you see are all fruit trees. These are papayas, I think. These are bananas. This is sugar cane. It goes down and all the way. The property is really big. Some of it is not even used, but most of the usage is for fruits and vegetation. I don't know if you see the butterflies. There are like 70 species of butterflies here. Really beautiful. Different colors. Amazing. So it goes down, down, down. They're growing more stuff. This is a fruit that I don't know what it's called. This is another area to sit. All these are fruit trees. This is a papaya tree. You can see there are papayas on the tree, but they're not ripe yet. The weather is beautiful right now. I mean, they had a storm before I got here, and a lot of trees fell and branches broke. Here just is a fallen papaya tree. But the day I got here, it was sunny like this, warm and nice. It's like between 75 and 80 degrees. It's not that hot. It's beautiful. And the air is so clean. You breathe, the air is so pure and fresh and clean, and there's a breeze, really nice breeze. And in the evenings, sometimes in the evenings or at night, it rains. These are bathrooms. It rains and you're in bed and you hear the rain. It's so beautiful. And then in the morning, it's sunny again. I'm not going to go that path because there are a lot of paths to go and see the place, but it's too big. So I'm just going to show you the sleeping bungalows where we sleep. We are around 19 people at this point. Some are already been here for a month, so they are leaving in like 2-3 weeks, and some just arrived like me. So we'll stay here for another month and a half. So you see there's a little bungalow there and one here. And I'll show you my room where I'm staying. The flowers here are amazing. The vegetation is so beautiful. Look at this flower. Something really nice. So this is the main corridor. Every hammock has a room like in front of it. And this is the laundry room. And okay, I want to show you something. There is, if it's here, I don't know. No, it left. We had a spider friend. Oh, here he is. Look. See the spider? He's huge. He's huge. And he's scary. But he's friendly. So nobody bothers him. So this is the main corridor of houses. This is one. This is two. And this is my room. I have a roommate. Her name is Deborah Dvora. She's Israeli. This is our room. This is my bed. And this is her bed. And we really get along. She's sweet and nice. And she's been here for 30 days, so she can, she answers a lot of my questions. So yeah, this is it.